Hayes HDX rock truck. Well, just a bin truck. Hauls wood debris. It's a logger in its former life. Most Hayes don't have former lives, they just keep going. Looks like a Cummins. Big Reliance box on it. And water from the logging truck days, water for the brakes. Hey, the rain gear upholstered seat. There, rain jackets are good for other stuff. A modern transmission, 13 speed or something. That's funny, right over on the side. Well, this has the offset cab, that's why. So that's actually the center of the truck over there. Cummins. Gone for the wood look, the imported veneer. So we originally had a 290 in it, probably 290 Cummins. Serial number, this is for Mr. 64 Pacific, it's 238395. Maximum speed 45 miles an hour. I wonder they lasted so long. Neat trucks. I'll go for a ride in one day.